Democrats are working to sell the Build Back Better Act that passed in the House just last week. It still needs to get through the Senate, which they're hoping to do before the end of the year. News Channel 3's Madison Wild tonight has a look at what the act could mean for local Hispanic communities.
This bill is monumental. It's historic.
House Democrats have been celebrating the passage of a $1.75 trillion social spending bill. Known as the Build Back Better Act, it includes money for expanded Medicare, prescription drug reform, universal pre-K, and hundreds of billions to fight climate change.
The passage of the Build Back Better Act could not come at a better time for American families.
Congressman Dr. Raul Ruiz and U.S. Secretary of Health and Human Services Javier Becerra say the act will help essential workers and Hispanic communities that have been disproportionately impacted by the pandemic, including those living right here in the Valley.
The Build Back Better Act will help launch these families by putting money in their pockets through middle-class tax cuts, as well as cutting costs for the most expensive items in their budgets.
Those most expensive items, they say health care, housing, and child care will become more affordable if the bill passes the Senate. They say the act aims to ensure that families pay no more than 7% of their income on child care. It establishes universal pre-K so parents can get back to work.
This is particularly true for Latinas, who have bared the brunt of cut in wages and unemployment than any other group in our nation.
The act also offers support for undocumented immigrants in the workforce. Unlike the infrastructure bill, the Build Back Better plan has no Republican support. The White House will have to find a way to get all 50 Democratic senators on board if they want it to pass the Senate and move forward. Madison Weil, News Channel 3.